Hi, Matt here with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in Meridian, Idaho. Welcome to another edition of What's in the Box. So basically we get flooring samples all the time from various flooring manufacturers, and we thought it might be fun for me to open them up and talk about them on the spot. A couple reasons. One, you can see the latest and greatest and what's coming out, and also it's a good way to just see just to see what's available. So this one says Shaw on it. So could be from Tuftex or Shaw. So manufacturers, if by chance you ever see these, which I'm not saying you would, but these are great. Because if not, the corners get dinged like an accordion. All right. So looks like we got one carpet sample. So let's take a look and see what we got. So it is from Anderson Tuftex. So just so you're aware, Tuftex used to be an independent mill out of California, and Shaw bought them, and then they bought Anderson Hardwood, and now you have Anderson Tuftex, which is a nice brand because they'll show you like some carpet and wood or different things that go well together. So looks like here we have kind of more of a traditional looped type Berber. Let's see what we got on specs here. So one thing that Shaw does that's great is they have what's called a soft back, and as far as I'm aware, they're the ones that invented that. I could be wrong, but I think they did. But this just helps protect against baseboards and walls for scuffs and things, because normal carpet backing is very rough and it can hurt you. So this being a Berber, it has a little bit of what they call a pattern. So it's not a very big one. It's only 3/8 of an inch wide by 3/8 of an inch long. Looks like this is made out of Anso nylon. All things considered, nylon will tend to wear better than polyester. But something like this, it looks like it wouldn't show vacuum marks very much, maybe just a little bit, in case you don't like vacuum marks. And then let's take a look at the colors. So looks like we have 24 colors here. Nice line, pretty neutral. Seems like lately we've been getting more blues on some of the boards. But yeah, this is a nice piece of carpet. Looped carpet, Berbers tend to wear a little bit better than other types of carpet. So that's something to keep in mind. But yeah, this is a nice look. Also, you can see here that they turned this into an area rug on top of the wood. This would make a nice area rug as well. So yeah. Oh, and this is called Arden Park. Almost forgot to name it. Arden Park. Imagine I said that right. I have no idea. But yeah, this is a nice, nice traditional looking Berber. It's not super stiff. It moves a little bit, but it looks nice. So yeah, I think that's it for today's episode. So appreciate you watching this. Again, this is Arden Park. We love doing carpet here at Capell Flooring, and we would love to help you with your next carpet project. So feel free to give us a call or text, and we'd love to help you. Thanks.